All right. So, hello everyone. So, in this video, let's understand the importance and implications of data security. Uh, so you must have probably heard the expression "data is the new oil." Well, data today is fueling an increasingly number of businesses, such as customer experience, automated marketing, messaging, or any kind of scientific-driven insights. That all depend on the quality and the volume of information you have. So, companies they are eager to gather data. So, data privacy has become its safeguards. So, it is important to uphold the fundamental rights of any individual in an increasingly data driven world. So, here we'll see uh, the different digital age and how is it linked with data privacy, big data and its application impacts of data privacy. Yeah, let's see one by one. Yeah, so if you're talking about the digital age and data privacy, so what is data privacy? So data privacy is simple. It refers to the handling of personal information, such as health information, personal identity information. So this information can include social security numbers, health records, financial data, bank account, credit card numbers, anything. So data privacy also concerns the information that helps a company to operate. So that's why we are focusing on data privacy because the rise of data breaches. So with the increase of cyber threats, data breaches have become more prevalent right now, more common. So we will be hearing them now and then. So it is important to protect our data. So why is data privacy important? So data privacy is important because of several key reasons. So the first one, it protects our personal information. So it safeguards individual personal information from unauthorized access, ensuring sensitive data such as social security numbers, health information, so that we are maintaining control over the personal data, so that we can mitigate the risk of identity theft or any kind of other malicious activity. Then the second thing is trust and reputation. So data privacy is crucial for establishing trust between individuals and organizations. So if the companies focus on data privacy, it demonstrates the commitment of protecting their customers' personal information. So that just builds a reputation and and legal compliance. So various data protection laws and regulations such as General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, and California Consumer Privacy Act. So we should follow this. That's why it is important. So if you're talking with respect to big data implications, so big data and privacy challenges. So here we need to balance innovation as well as upholding privacy. So organization, they do leverage big data analytics for insights, but face several challenges in maintaining their user privacy because they want to maximize the usage of data. So we should balance both. And there is a huge role of technology, such as machine learning. So uh, several technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning can both enhance data, protect it, and it can also protect it from any kind of unknown threats. At last, user awareness. So we need to educate the end user about the policies, various steps, various precautionary methods he can take to secure his data. Personal responsibility is one of the important factors. Self-awareness is one of the important key factor whenever it comes to data security. Because we will be going into different applications, we'll be installing many applications, going into different websites. So individuals, they should be informed about how their data will be used and how the data will be collected and for what it is used. So regularly update privacy settings. We should regularly review and update privacy settings on social media. For example, if any of the company is logging your data for any training of machine learning, we can just turn it off. So we should regularly audit any applications. So best practices, as we discussed, conduct privacy audits. Then data minimalization. So only store that data which is vital for operation of any application or any website. Then future trends. So regulations will keep on evolving. So stricter, more advanced data privacy regulations will evolve, demanding businesses to stay agile and compliant. So we should uh, keep on monitoring and safeguarding regular user data. We can use AI in data privacy. For example, we can enhance the data privacy through predictive analytics and automated complaint monitoring. So we can use that. Global perspective on data privacy. So there are several regions. So each region will have different regulations, different protocols. So there'll be cultural variations that differ globally, that depend on cultural, legal, and political context. So we should consolidate into uh, you can say one major thing. So international cooperation is required. So cross-border data flows, it is necessary for international cooperation. And there are several global challenges. So we need to vary regulations across different countries that differs challenges also. Yeah, so that's about data privacy. So, so data privacy, it is important. It is crucial for protecting personal information from unauthorized access. So it just enables a trust between individuals and organizations. So there are several organizations like GDPR and CCPA, which promote ethical data practices. So at last, end user recognition. So we should be self-aware about where the data, which data is getting stored, how it is getting used. So that's all for this video. Thank you.